Computers in a network can be wired or wireless. Wired twisted pair cable. It consists of two insulated copper wire that are twisted together. Twisted pair cables are simple, flexible, have low weight, and can be handled easily. Its installation is easy and expensive. The cable can cover a long distance. Twisted pair cable. Coaxial cable. The data transmission character of coaxial cable are much better than those of twisted pair cable. It is used by telephone companies from the external of central office to the telephone pole near the user. It is widely used for local area network. Optical fiber. It enables a digital data transmission over long distance. The fiber of this wire is made of transparent plastic, glass, or sometimes with a combination of both. It is also used as a medium for networking. Optical fiber. Radio link is a wireless. So wireless radio link is there. Is a wireless interface. The transmission is made by using radio frequencies here. The transmitter and the receiver are used to encode and decode the data transmitted and received respectively. This medium of transmission is cheaper than buying and maintaining cables. But when the weather condition changes, it makes the data transfer difficult. Satellite link. The function of the satellite is to receive data from the Earth station and transfer the data to another station on the Earth. The transmission on television requires satellite as a medium. Infrared transmission. It is also a wireless medium of transmission. Infrared beam is used to replace the cables between different rooms. This technique of data transmission is thus most suitable for office when position of communication devices are changed. Television remote and wireless speakers use infrared as a transmission medium. Network devices. Network devices, some of the devices that are used to require to connect computers or peripherals in a network can be modem. Modem full form is modulator and demodulator. It converts the digital signals from the computer to another form that can be transmitted over telephone wires and vice versa. RJ45 registered jack 45 connector is commonly used for computer network cables. Ethernet network interface card. Ethernet cards are an essential part of a network. It is used in LAN and MAN network. They are used to connect to a computer to another computer or to a server by using a cable. The computers on Ethernet install a special card called Ethernet card. It is used to transmit data from the network to your computer by using a network cable. Hub. A hub is the most basic networking device that connects multiple computers, other network devices together. It is available with 8, 12 or 24 ports. It connects segments of a LAN. The NIC transfer data from a computer to a hub, which then transferred to another connected computer. Switch. You can see a switch here. In a network, transfer data to a specific computer. Repeater. A repeater is a device that regenerates the incoming signal. Means that renew the incoming signal. Then it places the same on the communication channel again. It is used to increase the length of the network. So very important, it is used to increase the length of the network. Repeater. Bridge. A bridge is a device that is used to link two same networks. It reduces the amount of traffic on LAN as it does not send all the data packets. It can be programmed to reject packets from particular networks. So this is a bridge. It is used to link two same network. It reduces the amount of traffic on LAN. A router is used to forward data packets to another network when the destination address is outside its network. This process is known as routing. Gateway. A gateway is used to connect two networks of different types. Gateway is here, two networks of different types. It acts as an entrance to another network. It can translate information into a format that is understood by another network. Please go through the tech facts, data packets, and protocol. Thank you.